Okay guys, and I am back with a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how I go from a day look and I transform that into a night look in a few quick easy steps. So I'm just going to take my Self X palette, Self by Revolution palette, and what I'm going to do is I have on a natural eye, which I done in my previous video, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with this black shade in the corner, and I'm just going to dab that in the corner of my eye just to get a darker smoky look. I'm just going to dab that all in the corner of my eye, and I'm just going to blend that in. Not adding any more product to the brush, just literally blending this corner in. So you'll see I have a darker, smokier eye. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Just going to dab that in first. And then after the dab, we're just going to blend. Just adding product literally once. And you'll see my eyes already darker, so this will be the night look. And then basically what I have done is I've already prepped my lashes. So I'm going to put on some falsies and I've prepped them with glue. The glue I used was the Kiss brand. And I'm using some 3D Bink lashes called Dawn Eyelash, which I bought at Professional Nail here in Beauty. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and do this on camera. I've never done this before on camera. So I'm going to try and do this on camera quickly, and I'm just going to place this lash here. So the glue's become tacky, and I'm literally just placing it on my lash line. Oh gosh. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, they look okay. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of mascara and go over the bottom of my eye lashes. Just a little bit there. And then there's not much else left to do. But what I do want to do is I want to add a darker color to my lip. So I'm going in with the NYX, or NYX as people say, the lingerie range. And I'm using the color Teddy. It's called Liply 10. I'm just going to apply this over what I already have. But this is a matte shade, so it's way darker. So this is the only thing that I did different to go to the night look. I just added some dark eyeshadow of the black over my brown smoky eye that I had during the day. I added a darker brown lip, and I'm just going to loosen this up. Get a nice change of clothes, put on something warmer, and this is your night look. Thanks for tuning in.